If you work with Revit, AutoCAD, IFC, and you've ever spent hours manually extracting data, building spreadsheets, or creating reports, this is going to change how you think about it. I'm going to write one sentence to an AI assistant and get a complete quantity takeoff, project analytics, and a reusable script. To start working with your projects using AI agents, you need to install Claude Code, Google Joules, OpenCode, or any other AI coding agent through your preferred IDE, for example Visual Studio Code as shown in this video. You will find the installation links in the description below. All that is left is to launch Claude Code and start working. Now in the chat we will ask our agent to convert our closed Revit project into an open database using the converter from the Data-Driven Construction GitHub repository, and then build a complete quantity takeoff table. And here's the entire instruction. That's it. No script, no config file, no pipeline setup, just plain English. Let's see what happens. No Revit, no AutoCAD, no CAD software on this machine at all. And now it's analyzing the output, parsing every element, every property. Full quantity takeoff. Every category, walls, doors, windows, roofs, with counts, areas, and volumes. 214 line items. This is one file. Took about 2.5 minutes. And it saved everything as a reusable Python script. So now I can run this on any Revit file or an entire folder with one command. Now, let's scale this up. Same idea, process all 5 remaining files and build me a combined dashboard. 5 different Revit projects, different years, different building types. It doesn't matter, the pipeline handles all of them. Six projects total, 133,000 elements, all processed, all structured. And here's the dashboard. 6 projects compared side by side. Element counts, discipline breakdown, category heat map, all generated automatically from 2 sentences in a chat window. I wrote 2 messages in plain English and got a complete data pipeline. Quantity takeoffs, project analytics, a cross-project dashboard, and a reusable script I can run on any new file tomorrow. No Revit license needed. Fully offline. And it's free. The AI agent, Claude Code, figured out how to download it, run it, analyze the output, and build the reports. I didn't write a single line of code. If you're spending hours extracting data from BIM files and building spreadsheets by hand, try this. Clone it, open Claude Code, and just describe what you need. One sentence is enough.